How to create an account on Mint. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can create an account on Mint or sign up for Mint. So to do that, first of all, download the Mint app from either your Play Store or your App Store and simply open the app. Now once you've opened the app, your homepage will look somewhat like this, where if you already have an account, you can simply log in using either your phone number or your email address or your user ID. But since we don't have an account and want to create one, we'll tap on the option create account. And now you will be taken to this page where you'll have to enter the following details such as email address, password, confirm password, country, zip code, and finally your phone number. So simply enter all of these over here. Now once you've entered all of your details, simply tap on the option create account. And now if you want, you can use your Face ID to sign in quickly and securely. But if you don't, simply tap on the option maybe later. And now it will say registering and it will take some time. So simply be patient and wait for this to complete. And now if you want, you can turn on notifications, but if you don't, simply skip this process. Now you'll have to enter your first name over here. Now tap on the option done. Now you can choose what you want help with first of all. So you can choose any one of these, but for now we'll simply choose this option and then tap on the option continue. And now tap on the option connect my first account. And now let us simply cross these pages. And as you can see, you have successfully created an account on Mint. So that is basically how you create a Mint account. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. And if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.